This is the DXceed bracelet. It is magnetic, so as you can see, it's very easy to put on. And then it's got each of these little cords with gold details on them. They do slide back and forth. They're not in a fixed position. And it's pretty easy to get on your own wrist because it is magnetic. Just for reference, my wrist is 6.5 inches in diameter, and so got a little bit of extra give to it, so it should fit on your wrist just fine. But very attractive, very lightweight, very easy to wear.